Gentlemen, today is an auspicious day to speak to you all. Today is Teachers' Day. My blessing to all of you. Friends, this year has been harsh on humanity, particularly for the students, and especially for those who are appearing for various competitive examinations. After some hiccups, the NDA exam is now scheduled for 6th of September. All candidates who are appearing for this exam, I wish you attend this exam in large numbers and make this exam a grand success. Children, your dreams are our goals, and we have helped you to educationally and psychologically take this situation head on. We have tried to reduce the gap between a cadet and a student. Children, I come from a defense background. My father was in the Air Force and my son served the parachute battalion of the Indian Army. I have held various staff and operational appointments during my service, and I was also a GTO at the Service Selection Board, Allahabad. I established Balnoy Academy in 1997. By virtue of my experience, I have seen defense from various shades and angles. I've seen how children prepare for this exam. I've been involved in their selection. I've been involved in their training and subsequent grooming in the units. By virtue of my experience of the defense forces, I would like to give you some tips for tomorrow's exam. There are some administrative tips which I would like to share with you. Firstly, you must reach the examination hall an hour in advance. Prior to that, I would request you to go and visit the examination center so that you know where your center actually is. You must carry adequate writing material, particularly black ballpoint pens to darken these circles. A trick which I would like to share with you to attempt this exam is that you must read the paper at least 3 times. In the first go, you must attempt all questions that you know. I'm sure you studied hard for this exam. जो क्वेश्चन आपको आते हैं, करीब 40 क्वेश्चन आप फर्स्ट गो में कर दीजिए. Give it the second look. Questions which require some deliberation or some calculation, do it in the second go. करीब 20 क्वेश्चन और हो गए. Give it the third look. Questions which require more deliberation, little more calculation, do it in the third go. Another 20 questions you solved. If you are able to solve about 80 questions in the maths paper, out of the 120 that are given to you, you are comfortably placed. Similarly, for the second paper, that is your general ability, if out of 150 you are able to solve about 100 questions correctly, you are in. If you solve like this, you will get about 600 marks, which is quite a lot. Because the cutoff to my mind will vary between 340 to 360. Gentlemen, we will upload the solved paper on our website, balnoyacademy.com, within 48 hours. Those of you who feel that they are going to make the cut, you are welcome to get in touch with us once again, and we will put you through the SSB coaching. For the SSB, keeping the pandemic situation in mind, we have developed a hybrid course. This course includes indoor and outdoor activity. It includes online and offline activity. Online, psychology and a portion of interview, and GTO will be done online. And outdoor tasks which are experiential by nature, which you have to physically experience, all those tasks we will do offline. Gentlemen, in the end, I would like to say, lockdown is for COVID and it is not for soldiers. I would also like to say that you must face this exam with confidence, but at the same time, take all precautions. Good luck and all the best. Jai Hind.